There you go, Bubby.
Don't close the door.
Okay.
Why?
Okay. You sit there. Just sit there for a moment, okay?
Yeah. I'm going up here. I feel like driving. Dad, let's sit right here.
Okay.
Dana!
Get down. Now time to get down, okay? Close the door. Time to get down, okay, Bubby?
Yeah.
It is.